Green thumb or not, we're plunging deep into the extensive world of pet-friendly houseplants. These natural beauties not only enhance your home aesthetics, but also ensure the safety of your furry pals. So let's strap on our gardening gloves and voyage into the verdant realms of pet-safe flora. Our first contender and a fan favorite is the spider plant. Known for its resilience and versatility, this adaptable houseplant is the Hercules of the plant world. Its strikingly long, arching leaves grow rapidly, allowing it to thrive in a multitude of environments. It's a perfect match for both the plant enthusiast and pet owners. The non-toxic nature of the spider plant makes it a secure choice for homes with curious pets. Next, we have the lush and lovely Boston fern. This plant is much more than just a pleasant visual in the world of flora. Its affinity for humid conditions makes it an ideal inhabitant for bathrooms or kitchens, where it revels in the moisture. The delicate, feathery fronds of the Boston fern offer a sight to behold. Our third entry is the glorious areca palm. Picture a tropical oasis in the coziness of your living room, without the worry of endangering your pets. That's exactly what the areca palm provides. This air-purifying powerhouse tirelessly scrubs the air you breathe. With feathery, arching fronds that can tower up to 6 to 7 feet, it's an inviting sight. And importantly, this skyscraper of the plant world poses no threats to your forever friends. Next in line, we have the intriguing Venus flytrap. Rightly named, this plant is as captivating as it is carnivorous. Yes, you heard that right, the Venus flytrap is insectivorous. However, fear not, this plant presents no danger to your pets. It's not just an interesting member of plant tribe, but it's also non-toxic to pets, making it secure for houses with inquisitive furry wanderers. Coming to number 5, we present the charming Haworthia. This miniature succulent grabs attention with its unique, fleshy leaves showcasing colors from deep green to translucent shades. Its compact nature makes it perfect for small spaces or tabletops. Venturing further into our verdant expedition, we're introducing a tropical sensation, the bamboo palm. This plant is not just a sight for sore eyes, but also a breath of fresh air, literally. Known for its remarkable air-purifying qualities, the bamboo palm is a much-loved addition to any pet-friendly home. Its lush, feather-like fronds and slender, bamboo-like stalks make it a standout in any space. The plant's grandeur, coupled with its non-toxic nature, makes it a must-have for pet owners. The bamboo palm is not just about aesthetics. It's a certified air purifier, tirelessly working to cleanse the air you and your pets breathe. Its ability to filter out harmful toxins from the air makes it not just a plant, but a silent green warrior for your home. Moving from the tropics, we traverse to the cooler climes of Northern Europe to meet our next pet-friendly houseplant, the Swedish ivy. This plant, despite its name, isn't actually native to Sweden, but it certainly brings a touch of Scandinavian charm to your home. The Swedish ivy, known for its beautiful trailing leaves, is a sight to behold. Its vibrant green foliage cascades down in a waterfall of greenery, creating a mesmerizing effect. It's not just visually appealing, but also pet-friendly. Like our previous plant, the bamboo palm, it too purifies the air, making your home a safer place for both you and your pets. So if you're looking for a plant that's pet-friendly, visually stunning, and serves as a natural air purifier, the Swedish ivy is a fantastic choice. Remember, a home filled with plants is a home filled with love, especially when it's safe for your furry family members. As we continue our journey exploring pet-friendly houseplants, our next stop brings us to the lush forests of Central and South America, home to the prayer plant. This plant, known scientifically as Maranta leucanura, is a favorite among houseplant enthusiasts and pet owners alike. The plant's oval, vibrantly green leaves, accentuated with unique patterns, are a feast for the eyes. But the prayer plant is not all about daytime aesthetics. As the sun sets and the room grows dark, the prayer plant begins its nightly ritual. The leaves, which were spread flat during the day, start folding up, resembling hands in prayer, hence its name. The prayer plant also purifies the air, contributing to a healthier home environment. So if you're on the hunt for a pet-friendly plant that offers visual interest both day and night, don't overlook the prayer plant. Our exploration of pet-friendly houseplants doesn't end here. We now travel to the exotic landscapes of Madagascar, where our next plant, the polka dot plant, originates. As we pan across the dense, vibrant forest, you can almost feel the lush tropical climate that has given birth to such a unique plant. Ranging from pink, red, and white speckles on a green backdrop, these leaves can brighten up even the dullest corners of your home. This plant is completely safe for pets, so your furry friends can explore and play around it without any worry. Remember, a home with plants is a home with life, and our pets couldn't agree more. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more daily updates on plants.